Hello, my name is Alan Hoxie. I'm an NFI certified specialist with Woodland Direct, and today we're going to tell you what you can expect with the order of a Montigo Delray direct vent fireplace. The first thing you want to do is check your fireplace for damage. You'll be looking for any kind of dent or any kind of hole, because that could indicate further damage to the fireplace on the inside of the box. The next thing you want to do is remove the fireplace from the pallet. I'll need you to record the serial number, which is going to be found on these white tags on the outside of the box. That serial number will later be recorded in the installation manual, which will be found inside of the box. Keep that for your own records, as well as any warranty that may show up down the road. Our next step will be to remove the straps and the cardboard box from our fireplace. Now, as we remove the top piece of cardboard from our fireplace, you'll gain access to the non-combustible board. The non-combustible board is designed to be installed on top of the fireplace. That'll keep clearances to combustibles met. So set this aside for now. Next, you'll find two cardboard boxes. Inside these cardboard boxes, you'll have the glass media, you'll have your installation manual, and other components for your fireplace. Go ahead and take those and set those aside as well. Now, we will remove the rest of the packaging. On doing so, we will find two more pieces of non-combustible cement board on the front. Please set those aside with the other piece. Now that our fireplace has been unboxed, let's take a look at the components that we set aside earlier. In one box, you will have your glass media. You can set that aside, as that's going to go inside your fireplace. The second box will contain a pull rod, which is designed to help remove the glass. Secondly, it'll have an installation manual. It'll also contain any other components that you ordered specific to your fireplace, things like a remote control. Please confirm that those parts did come shipped with your fireplace. Our next step is to get access to the identification tags. Those identification tags are found inside of my firebox. In order to do that, we'll need to remove our mesh barrier. That is done by lifting up on these two tabs that are found in the front and pulling the bottom of the screen out and simply setting it aside. The last piece that we need to remove is the component cover. Finally, we have access to our identification tags. On these identification tags, you will have the important information like your BTU output. You will have your model number. You will have your serial number, the water column pressure, clearances to combustibles. This information needs to stay with your fireplace. Also, please record your serial number from here into your installation manual. Please do not remove these identification tags from your fireplace. That is everything you need to know about unboxing your Montigo Delray direct vent fireplace. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 800-919-1904 or visit us at www.woodlanddirect.com. Thank you.